Kevin always do like this at Zoom class. So
guys,
Bella will
today
be
is
the
our
milk
experiment
cake.
day.
Wait.
Yeah. Let me share screen in the Sekolah Maya. I already put the video, and also the observation sheet that you need to write down. Yeah, actually, in the Sekolah Maya, I already send you the observation sheet, so you can print out if you can print out now. But if you cannot print out now, so just write all the information on your notebook. So be prepared for your notebook and pencil. Ya, siapkan dulu pencil sama bukunya.
Because my book is full, I think I'm going to use a piece of paper.
No, you can't. You need to prepare one book for math and science. No paper.
Okay, let me check if I still have the book from
So check it.
grade 4.
Check it. Everybody else, you ready?
Yes, the Super King Cat is ready.
In the Sekolah Maya, Miss Debbie share C ya. Look at the title. Apa judulnya? Look at the title.
Oh, human digestive system.
Human digestive system. I put also a video for you to learn, link to learn, and then I put also this worksheet, but not today. Yeah, this worksheet not today. The digestive system. You just only need this observation sheet. Yeah, if you can print out now, you can. But if not, you just only write all the information, and then we do it together. Yeah, we will do it together. So here we go. Let's see the video first. Ya, semuanya silakan dengarkan videonya dulu, and then pay attention for the process in every organ. Jadi ada yang namanya organ tubuh di dalam, yaitu ada esophagus, and then mouth also ya, and also we have the stomach, we have the intestine, large and then small intestine. We also have the liver and the pancreas. So pay attention for all the organ that work together, yang bekerja bersama-sama itu organnya membentuk to create to work together as the digestive system. Jadi organ tubuh itu membentuk suatu mengerjakan suatu sistem yang disebut dengan sistem pencernaan. This is only one of some system from our body. Kan ada sistem pernapasan, sistem peredaran darah, ya kan? And this is only one of them. Ini hanya salah satunya saja. So let's check it out. Can you see my screen?
Digestion
video?
in human beings. Human beings take food through mouth and digest it in specific organs for digestion. The undigested food is defecated.
The screen is freezing.
The food we take passes through a specific canal.
Wait. What happened?
The share screen was freezing. It's not freezing for me though.
Or maybe your internet.
Freezing.
I repeat again.
Now it's not freezing.
Digestion in human beings. Human beings take food through mouth and digest it in specific organs for digestion. The undigested food is defecated. The food we take passes through a specific canal which begins with buccal cavity and ends at the anus. This canal is called alimentary canal or the digestive tract. The parts of the alimentary canal are buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, and anus. The food gets digested gradually as it passes through the various parts of the tract. Digestive juices secreted by the salivary glands, liver and pancreas also aid digestion. Mouth and the buccal cavity. Food intake in human beings is through mouth. This process of taking food is called ingestion. Chewing food is very necessary for proper digestion, as digestion process starts in the mouth itself. What happens during chewing? The large pieces of food we eat are mechanically broken down into small pieces. Teeth helps us in doing so. Action of saliva on food. During chewing, food mixes with saliva. Saliva is secreted from salivary glands located on the lower jaw between the tongue and teeth. Saliva converts starch in the food into sugars and also softens the food. Tongue. Taste of food can be detected by the taste buds present on the tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free at the front and moves in all directions. Taste buds appear as small bumps on the tongue and have different regions which help us enjoy different tastes. Esophagus or food pipe. The swallowed food from the mouth passes onto the esophagus. The epiglottis, which is a flap-like structure behind the tongue, directs the food into the esophagus and prevents entry into the larynx. The peristaltic movements of the esophagus helps the food to move down the tract till it reaches the stomach. Stomach. Stomach is a bag-like structure with thick wall. It is in the shape of a flattened U and is the widest part in the alimentary canal. The food that enters the stomach is churned and mixes with the mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices secreted by the inner lining of the stomach. The acid helps to kill the bacteria present in the food. It also makes the medium in the stomach acidic. The digestive juices secreted by the stomach break down proteins into simpler substances. Then the food is emptied into small intestine. Small intestine. Small intestine is a highly coiled structure and is about 7.5 meters long. As soon as the small intestine receives food from the stomach, the digestive juices from liver and pancreas are mixed into it. Liver. Liver is the largest gland in the human body and is situated in the upper side of the abdomen. To the right, it is reddish brown in color. It secretes bile, which breaks down fats. Bile is stored in gallbladder between meals. Pancreas. Pancreas is a leaf-shaped and cream-colored gland located just below the stomach. It secretes pancreatic juice, which acts and breaks down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. After this is completed, the partially digested food reaches the lower part of the small intestine, where intestinal juices act upon the food and completes digestion of any remaining components in food. The carbohydrates in the food break down into sugars like glucose, fats into fatty acids, and glycerol, and proteins into amino acids. The food consumed is digested and is now ready to be absorbed into the blood. Absorption of food in the small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine has finger-like projections called villi, which have a network of thin blood vessels close to the surface. The villus increases the surface area of absorption and absorbs the digested food materials. The substances thus absorbed are transported through the bloodstream to different organs in the body and are used to build complex substances like proteins. This process is called assimilation. In the cells, glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide and water with the help of oxygen and releases energy. The undigested and unabsorbed food enters the large intestine. Large intestine. The large intestine is wider than small intestine and measures 1.5 meters in length. Once the undigested food enters the large intestine, it absorbs water and some salts from it and passes the remaining waste into the rectum. Here it remains as semi-solid fecus. The fecal matter is removed through the anus. This is called egestion.
Okay, done. Now the observation sheet, if we open, then it will look like this. Observation sheet ya. Is there anybody that already open in the Sekolah Maya observation sheet?
Haven't.
Sudah. Now for you, I just need you to write down all the information that we want to do today. Ya. The observation sheet give the title of di sini human digestive system. Silakan tulis judulnya dulu di buku saja. Tulis judulnya dulu, digestive sheet. Number 1, please write down what we want to find out. Cepet ya, nulisnya cepet ya, udah besar nulisnya cepat. Number 1.
What do you want to find out?
Yeah, number 1, what we want to find out.
Did I need to write human digestive?
Ini judulnya dulu. Di bukumu saja, di bukumu. Judulnya Observation Sheet Human Digestive System.
So we answer all the question, isn't it?
We will do it together. Ya. Kamu nggak, Miss Debbie nggak tanya. We will do it together. Ya.
Okay.
Number 1, I just ask you to write number 1. Already? I'm here.
Miss, itu aku perlu nulis pertanyaannya itu nggak? What we want to find out itu?
Yes, sure. Cepat ya, cepat. Everyone, please write down quickly. Number 1.
Why my marker is not working? I need to use pencil.
Pencil. I don't ask you to write in marker. Number 1, what you want to find out. If you see the video, what the video is talking about? What was the video talking about?
Human digestive system.
That's we want to find out. The process of human digestive
Miss, do we have to write it in book or can I just write it in my notes?
in book.
Okay.
Exactly like this. Your process of human digestive system. Number 2.
Miss, I write like this. We want to find out about process of human digestive system.
You can. Number 2. We will need this equipment and material. Equipment and material. Boleh tulis ini aja boleh.
Miss.
Boleh tulis ini aja boleh. Equipment and material, terus nanti ada strip-stripnya. Strip, 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 strip.
Miss,
Yes.
can I go to the toilet, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Cepet ya. Saya ketinggalan.
Okay.
Number 2, dan equipment and material. Ini aja.
Yes, I'm
Okay,
doing.
now Miss Debbie will stop share, and then you will notice what do we have here, ya. Karena kamu akan lihat di layar, Miss Debbie-nya di pin, what do we have for the equipment and material. Sudah ya, yang ini equipment material. Miss Debbie stop share ya. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Wait.
Wait.
I already write. We will need this equipment and material, and we want to find out about process of human digestive
Ya,
system.
only 1 and 2. Now number 2 ya. Strip yang pertama. Strip yang pertama ini ya. Jadi so I said this is equipment and material. Berarti ini equipment itu berarti barangnya, material itu berarti bahan, alat dan bahan kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia. Bahan atau material, that mean it will finish. Ini yang akan habis gitu ya. But the equipment it will remain. Kalau barang itu kan pasti sesuatu yang berulang, yang bisa dicuci, yang dipakai lagi. Strip yang pertama, Miss Debbie will stop ya. Then you have to write as you see in the screen, on the screen. Here we go. The food. Strip yang pertama, food. Makanan. Sudah ditulis? Dan food. Semuanya nulis ya, because you need to submit the paper to me.
Miss,
Okay.
I want to finish writing the paper.
Yeah, not on the paper. I mean on the observation sheet. Today for your book, on your book first. But later
Terus
you
nomor
need to,
kedua apa, Miss?
yeah, you need to submit me later.
Terus yang kedua apa, Miss, setelah food?
Food dalam kurung, food in the bracket, crackers, cookies. We have bread.
Miss, I didn't finish the things that write in the paper.
Number 2, strip yang pertama, food dalam kurung, ikuti ya. Food dalam kurung ada crackers, cookies, and bread. Some bread.
What is the second one, Miss? I
The
missed
second
it.
one, we have also the material orange juice. Orange juice,
Miss,
water,
What's
as the
the food?
saliva. Yeah,
the first food.
as you see, crackers, cookies, bread,
Okay. What is the second one, Miss?
cookies. Don't worry about the spell, just write cookies.
Miss, number 2 we write crackers.
Strip yang kedua, you have the orange juice as the acid in the stomach. Ya, jadi ini adalah acidnya di represent acid in the stomach, and this is represent the saliva. Water. We need water to represent the saliva.
And water.
Saliva, ya, saliva liquid.
Jadi
Tulisnya orange juice and water.
Miss, I write.
strip 2 orange juice and water.
Yes.
Okay.
Strip yang ketiga, next.
Yeah.
We have the material. Sekarang equipmentnya ya. Sekarang equipment atau barangnya. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Mortar, tulis aja mortal. MORTAR, mortar.
Oh.
it's in the equipment, right?
Yes, equipment.
Mortar
Ya,
and
jadi langsung saja strip yang berikutnya. Langsung saja strip yang berikutnya. Pastel, can you see my writing? Is it?
PESTLE kan?
Yes, pastel, pastel or pastel. Next, funnel, corong,
Namanya apa, Miss?
funnel, FUNNEL.
Funnel. Loh, oh funnel.
Next,
Loh, Miss, funnel kayak gimana, Miss, tadi?
Miss, I can understand what we need to write.
Terus kedua,
strip yang berikutnya, the next strip.
apa?
Tube represent the esophagus. Ini kerongkonganmu.
Kan nulisnya
Tube. Esophagus ya. This is the esophagus. Tube.
berarti after panel tube.
Tube.
Oke, apa kedua? Selanjutnya mah
I think that. Oh, the zipper bag.
di back.
Zipper. Ini zipper kan?
Iya,
Ya, zipper bag.
di back. Oke.
Miss,
One more. Stocking. Oh ya, Miss Debbie will tell you that the zipper bag, ini bag, tulis aja bag boleh, ya plastic bag boleh. Is that clear everybody? Ya,
Ya.
plastic bag boleh.
Miss, I can understand what we need to.
This is represent the stomach. Ini menunjukkan untuk menunjukkan stomach atau apa tadi stomach tuh lambung. Ya, lambung. Next, stocking represent the intestine, represent the large and the small intestine. Menggambarkan usus. Stocking, long stocking, menggambarkan usus halus dan usus besar.
So how do we write it?
Just stocking, tulis aja stocking.
Oke.
Dan
Pakai K kan, Miss, stockingnya?
ya, CK. Stock. CK. I use my go. You
Oke, Miss.
yeah, actually if you come here then you will also to be my assistant. And I also will use this glove.
Padahal seru Miss kalau offline loh, Miss.
Yeah, maybe next
Yeah.
week if we have offline, I can do it again with you. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys, now let's do it. The mouth. Represent the mouth is the mortar and pestle. This is to crush mechanical process.
Miss, I need to write the body part or the.
I put the crackers. Yeah. Example. This is just example that you eat crackers, some chocolate, and also the bread. Here we go. So this is represent the mouth. Do you remember that in the video also it said that the process of in the mouth, the process of break down the food in the mouth, there are two type of process. What are they? When I crush like this, it is represent also your teeth to crush, to bite, crush, yeah, and then also chew. So what we call the process? Terus prosesnya namanya apa kalau pakai gigi? Guys, sambil tanya jawab guys.
61 tenang ya.
Ya, ulang ya. This process in the mouth, what do we call? Do you know what are the process? There are two types. Actually, there are two types process in your mouth when you have the food inside your mouth. What are they? First, if the process like this, I crash it, I break it. What do you call? What do you call the process? This is actually represent your teeth. To crash, to bite.
Eating.
Apa namanya kalau prosesnya dikunyah-kunyah ini?
Eating.
Chewing. Ya, ada namanya. Meka. Do you remember? When you use your teeth, what do you call it? The process. Meka. Ayo. Mechanic. What is that? Apa namanya? Mechanical. That means you use your teeth to crush, to bite, and also the tongue. Lidahmu itu membantu untuk to put the food, ya, to put the food, and then your teeth can crush it, can chew it, can bite it, yeah, correctly. And then and this water represent, remember what I said before, this water represent the saliva produced by, salivanya diproduksi dari apa? Dari mana saliva?
Air liur.
Yes, saliva gland, dari kelenjar. Ya, saliva itu air liur. The saliva produced by the saliva gland, atau kelenjar air liur namanya.
Miss, I got disconnected and I just joined it, so I missed almost all of the equipment and material.
No worries. I have the recording for you. Yeah. So guys, look at this. This is already, because of the saliva, help the process of chewing, help the process of break down the food. Yeah. What we call, what the process that we call when we add saliva? What the process that we call? Tadi kan yang namanya mekanik, pakai gigi ini, ya. Press, bite. Sekarang, after you added the saliva, what is the process that you call? Itu namanya apa? Kalau ditambah saliva, namanya jadi apa? Prosesnya apa? Do you know guys? Pardon? Namanya apa yo?
Nitlan.
Namanya chemical. Ulangi ya. Jadi proses di dalam mulut itu ada dua. There are two type of process in your mouth when you have the food in your mouth. Satu apa? Here.
Mekanik dan miawi.
Chemical process. Chemical process, ya. So here we go. As you see, the food is getting, makanannya gimana?
Jadi lembek.
Ya, jadi lembek, smooth, ya. Soft, smooth.
Is it moist?
Moist, yes, moist also. Ya. And then, what is the next? What is the next process? After it is
ditelan
by chew in the mouth,
ditelan.
goes to, ya, it goes to kemana? Dari mulut kemana?
Ke kerongkongan.
Yes, this one, the tube. What we call, namanya apa ini?
Esophagus.
Esophagus. Sebenarnya esophagus ini sebelumnya ada paring, paring ya, and then this esophagus, and then laring itu ada di sini. But we just call it esophagus, the tube that leading the food goes down, ya, and then we call it, this is propulsion. When the food goes down to the stomach ya. So this is we call it ingestion. Jadi ini namanya ingestion. Kemudian propulsion itu kalau waktu dia masuk ke dalam tube ini, and then it goes to stomach. But actually in the stomach is not empty. Tapi sebelum Miss Debbie taruh ya di dalam stomach ini, di dalam lambung, actually in the back there are some juice. There is some juice. Sebenarnya di dalam lambung ini ada jus. Yaitu apa namanya tadi?
So the material there is a plastic bag, isn't it?
Di dalamnya ini ada orange juice. It's not actually orange
juice.
This is acid. Where does the acid come from? Ini asidnya dari mana? Acid.
Yes, orange juice-nya itu ya yang
Nah, this orange juice, ini orange juice-nya represent the acid that produced by stomach. Jadi sebenarnya di dalam lambungmu itu tidak kosong. It's not empty in your stomach. It's actually there is some juice. The
Jadi
acid.
kalau itu kalau misalkan sakit asam lambung itu itunya yang.
Nah, kalau sakit asam lambung, what is actually happen? Ya, in the apa yang namanya tadi? In the stomach there is a thin layer. Jadi di dalam sini, kelihatan ya? Di dalam sini tuh ada yang namanya mukus atau inner membran atau lapisan yang tipis di dalam lambung ini. Tipis ya, is thin. And then when you have the GERD atau namanya asam lambung kamu bilang atau MAH, pernah nggak? Cekot gitu ya, lambungnya perih, sakit, seperti diremas-remas gitu. Pernah nggak? Have you ever? Nah, actually the inner mucus ini yang namanya mukusmu itu has been irritated. Mukusmu itu atau lapisan lambungmu itu sebenarnya sedang teriritasi. That's why if you go to doctor, ya, then the doctor will give you the medicine to protect. Nanti dokter pasti bilangnya ini untuk pelapis lambung, gitu bilangnya. Kalau ke dokter pasti nanti dikasihnya pelapis lambung. Actually, that is the medicine to cover, untuk melindungi mukusmu yang di dalam yang tipis ini, the mucus, the inner layer, ya, and then not to be irritated again, supaya nggak teriritasi lagi. Why do you think you have the GERD? Kenapa kok kamu bisa punya heartburn atau GERD atau asam lambung itu? Kenapa? Why?
Palingan
When
kurang
does it
makan.
happen? Iya, kapan itu terjadinya kalau kamu bilang punya, aduh ada asam lambung nih, aduh perih.
Yang makanan yang
Yes, because of the food spicy and sour, karena terlalu pedas, terlalu asam. Lambungnya sudah asam, ya kan? Di dalam lambung there is actually acid. The acid come from the stomach itself. Jadi sebenarnya di dalam lambungmu itu sudah ada asamnya, ya. And then also water. Remember that your body has water, right?
Yes.
Nah, ini kan udah ada airnya ya, udah ada airnya. Actually water and acid. And then what other that actually we have in the stomach, in our stomach? Apalagi yang kamu tahu? Tadi ada kan?
Makanan.
Before eat, sebelum ada makanan, sebelum kita makan, sebelum is actually there is the juice. Sebenarnya jus ini berisi acid, water, what else yang kamu tahu apalagi tadi? Di dalam ini actually ya breakdown menghancurkan apa saja. What do the stomach muscle breakdown? Jadi di dalamnya ini sebenarnya menghancurkan apa saja gitu di dalamnya ini. Makanan yang apa? Makanan yang what is the content? Ya. Makanan yang tipe apa? What is the type of food? Makanan yang
masih besar yang belum hancur.
Okay, Mr. wants to ask the content nutrient ya from your food. Di dalam makananmu itu ada apa aja sih sebenarnya yang kamu makan?
Biskuit.
Yes, I mean the nutrient. Nutrisinya apa? Carbohydrate. Terus apa lagi? Do you think that this is content of fat? Ini sebenarnya bikin begini ada fatnya nggak? Ada lemaknya nggak? Ada susunya nggak?
Ya.
Ada margarinnya?
Ada.
Ada. So this actually already ada fat, carbohydrate, carbo kan ini?
Yeah.
And then also this one is carbo also. Do you think that there is fat also inside this?
Yes.
Ya kan, ada coklatnya, and then ada margarinnya. This is
There is so many fat in there.
So fat, carbohydrate. Kalau yang tadi ini misalnya there is, bahkan di roti juga there is some milk, right? Usually they mix with the milk. Milk itu berarti ada apanya? Bisa the carbo, bisa the fat. Ada apa lagi? What else?
Margarin, ada milk juga.
Yeah, margarine is fat. Ada carbohydrate, ada fat, ada pro. Pro. Ayo, come on guys. Sebelum Miss Debbie lanjutkan yuk, sambil tanya jawab. Jadi makanan itu sebenarnya ada apa saja sih yang kamu makan itu? Ada karbohidrat, ada fat, ada lemak, ada pro. Masa nggak ada yang tahu? Protein. Miss Debbie mau tanya dong, because mengapa ini sangat pasif ya di sini kan ada Pepe, you have a good grade right in science. And also ada Mikey ya, ada Eunice, ada Gilbert. Kenapa pasif? You need to answer me, ya. You need to answer me. Jangan cuma Stephen. Diulang ya. Can you see my screen clearly?
Yes.
Okay. Now everybody please be active. Di dalam sini ada karbo, ada lemak, ada protein also, and then it's all breakdown in the
Stomach.
In the stomach.
Stomach.
In the stomach. Di dalam stomach sudah ada juice, yaitu apa?
Acid.
Water. And then when you have the fat in your food, waktu kamu ada fat di sini, ada protein, di sini juga produce di sini ada enzim. Ada enzim that what we call pepsin and lipase. Have you ever heard that? Pernah dengar?
Yes.
Enzim pepsin.
In science class there is.
Ya, enzim pepsin. Miss Debbie give you the clue ya. Pepsin. It's the letter come from P ya. So it's break down the P protein. Pepsin break down the protein. Lipase, lipid. Lipid itu bahasa Inggrisnya dari apa? Lemak, fat dan lipid sama ya. Jadi yang pertama adalah pepsin, yang kedua adalah lipase. Lip break down the fat in the stomach. Tapi the enzyme is not produced by itself. Tapi enzim yang tadi lipid tadi ya, is not actually produced by itself. It is produced by the liver. Jadi hati yang tadi besar gambarnya di video, ini kan stomach di lambung di belakang. Di depannya ada hati yang besar itu. Did you recognize? Tadi lihat nggak? Did you see it?
Yes.
Nah,
Yes, I see.
hati yang
That
besar
one
ini
right.
produce the bile. Hati yang besar tadi memproduksi empedu that actually and then goes into stomach. Jadi di sini tuh sebenarnya ada macam-macam, ada acid, ada water, ada also the bile tadi empedu ya, that produced by liver yang diproduksi hati to break down the fat that you eat. Jadi ini semua all then eat is breakdown in the stomach by the apa ini? Ada mechanical juga. Now Miss Debbie will show you what is the process inside the esophagus. Ada proses apa di sini? Ada proses apa di sini? Inside the esophagus. It cannot.
Another saliva.
Ada proses apa? see it? Look at it. The food blob. Ini namanya food blob atau gumpalannya. Gumpalannya masuk ke mana? Gumpalan makanan masuk ke? Yes, the esophagus atau kerongkongan. Udah ya, kira-kira kayak gini ya. Because I need you actually as my assistant. And then the food goes into esophagus. And then what the process inside here? Ini sebenarnya kan makanannya masih digini-gini, diremas-remas. What is the movement? Namanya apa? Gerakan apa? Paris? Gerakan apa namanya? Actually in here? Yeah, look at this. Ya, sudah masuk ya? Oke. Wah, tuh lihat. Masuk ke dalam lambung. Wait. Oke, now here we go. Masih ada. This in the stomach, yang tadi namanya ini gerakan peristaltik tadi ya di sini ya. Oke, dan ini dan now Miss Debbie will zip, di lock down dulu, di lock, and then press it. So there are two type also mechanical. Kalau udah digini-gini di lambung pasti namanya apa nih? Mechanical. Kalau ada gerakan di lambung itu juga the muscle. We have muscle ya. Kita itu kan punya otot. That's why in the esophagus juga ada yang namanya peristaltic movement. Di sini juga ada yang namanya peristaltic yang that make the food blob, yang membuat food blobnya ini makanannya masuk ke dalam stomach. And this in the stomach also ada muscle. Your muscle. Muscle-mu itu, ototmu itu membreakdown. Oh ya, breakdown and then breakdown on not only the carbo but also the lipid, but also the fat. Jadi lemak-lemak itu juga di breakdown di sini. But how about if you have too many atau too much fat? Bagaimana kalau kamu makannya daging terus, gorengan terus, no fiber, nggak ada seratnya? What happened here? Apa yang terjadi di sini?
You become fat.
It's very hard. Your muscle, your stomach, hard to, susah untuk apa?
Squeeze.
How to squeeze atau hard to digest. Susah itu yang lemak-lemak itu because the pancreas, the liver has to produce much. Kan tadi apa? Liver tadi memproduksi apa? Empedu, bile, ya, bile. Bilenya itu atau empedunya masuk ke sini, and then break down the fat. But if you have too much fat, tapi kalau kamu terlalu banyak makan lemak, gorengan, kolesterol, ya, fat, itu kolesterol itu bad fat ya. The liver will hard work to produce the bile, and then bile goes to this. Hatinya bekerja keras untuk memproduksi empedu, and then the stomach also hard work. That's what you need to eat balance. Makanya kamu harus makannya itu bagaimana?
Empat sehat lima sempurna.
Yes, you have to get fiber because the fiber actually bind. Jadi gini, the fiber, seratmu itu kalau kamu makan buah, makan sayur, seratmu itu bind, mengikat lemak. Help the stomach to bind the fat. Gitu ya. Jadi serat atau fiber atau dari buah dan sayur itu membantu mengikat lemak. Ya. In your stomach.
Miss,
ya.
I have a question.
Ya.
What happen if we eat bubur porridge?
Porridge? Bubur?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, we eat the porridge because your stomach has a problem, right?
Okay.
Or you are in the condition of illness atau kamu lagi sakit. You cannot have a hard work to chew. Kan kamu lemas kan? Muscle-mu sedang lemah, otot-ototmu sedang lemah, and then you have to eat porridge because the porridge actually need to absorb fast. Karena apa namanya itu, bubur itu akan diserap dengan cepat karena bubur itu kan banyak airnya, just like the stomach, ya. Sudah banyak airnya, so it will quick absorb. Itu maksudnya makan porridge itu, quick absorb. Next, you need an intestine. Nih, Miss Debbie actually need your help. Wah, please be patient ya, mudah-mudahan tidak tumpah ini. Be patient, be patient. Mudah-mudahan tidak tumpah. So, here is the intestine. Next week ya, we can do it again. Here we go. And this is, can you see this? Yeah. Miss Debbie try to pour into the intestine. Nih ya, panjang nih. How long the intestine? The small intestine?
4.5 meter.
How long?
4.5 meter.
7.5. Tadi siapa yang dengar tadi? 7.5.
Guys.
7.5 ya. Okay, here we go.
Okay. Bocor. Miss Debbie bocor.
Ya, karena ini kan cuma stocking. That's fine. Let's see what happened. In the end, at the end, this is the large intestine. Tadi yang panjang tadi kan small intestine. Now this is the large intestine. What do we have?
Mengambil serat-seratnya. Take the water.
Ini bukan serat, ini adalah sisa. The undigested food. Yeah.
It turns to poop.
Yeah. This is the small intestine that absorb. Makanya kenapa tadi kan bocor-bocor, because it's actually absorbed by the, kan sudah dikirim ke mana? The blood cell, ke pembuluh darah, ya. The blood, bukan blood cell itu sel darah merah, pembuluh darah. The nutrient it's yang di sini tadi, it's actually goes to, nutrisinya tadi sudah pergi ke the artery, ya, the blood, apa itu namanya, pembuluh darah, the circulatory system, and then this is the end. Inilah undigested food. This is the undigested food, and this is the large intestine, and then it goes to, sampai sini goes to mana? The large intestine, the food
large intestine into rectum and anus.
Go to
Anus.
Rectum first,
Rectum
and then
dulu.
anus.
Rectum dulu and anus, and then what do we have now?
We
Let's
have
see.
poop.
If I cut this, and then what do we have?
We have sisa anak-anak.
In the morning you usually have this. What is it?
Ew, that's poo.
What is it?
We go to
We
the
have-
toilet.
Excretion process.
Oh yeah.
We have excretion process, namanya apa ini? Namanya apa? Yang keluar dari sini?
Feces.
Feses, atau kamu bilang ini pup. Nah, take a look. Here we go. The rest, yeah, the rest. It goes to the toilet. So here is all the process of the digestive system of human. Thank you everyone for watching. Are you excited to do it by yourself? Are you excited to do it by yourself?
Aku nggak punya bahannya. I'm excited in
No,
the
I mean
first part,
at
but the
At school.
last part looks
At
disgusting.
school later, ya. Nanti di sekolah
Last
ya.
part is
Okay.
It's shaped like a poo.
Now, Miss Debbie will tell you that there will be no assignment for today, but I need you to print out the paper, the observation sheet, and we will continue next week. Okay? See you guys.
Goodbye, Miss.
Bye.
Goodbye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye.